So I got a question. Has anybody built this ADM grain elevator? This is an older kit that I picked up at my train store. It's brand new. It was sealed, right? Um, I'm thinking, I don't know if I have enough room to build the entire thing, but maybe I'll build it in parts and see. Uh, Has anybody ever turned this part into this part here into a background building? I need, so that's what I need. I need 9 inches and 13 inches. Let me take you over to the layout. So this is where I plan to put it. So I have that elevator that I just built, right? This little Prairie co-op one, and I was thinking about putting either those silos here and connect the head house over, and then have the train part, like this is not attached anymore. It was here, so I opened up this space in here, but I don't have enough room to put that whole kit there, because there's really only about, well, there's 13 inches out to here. I guess my only thing, I guess I'm gonna have to build each section to see if it's gonna fit, and then at least I'll build the silos, see where they're gonna fall, and that little loading facility that would be where the tracks are. And then if I can fit the rest of that head house or that big main building with all the windows, I don't know what the elevator part, I guess, is what that is. See if that fits in there. Or I was just going to, again, just use the silos and connect them to that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I got it so cheap that I couldn't pass it up. We'll see. Let me know your thoughts here. Yeah.